Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert checkbox in WPS spreadsheets. If you want to do it, first you need to click somewhere where you want to insert the checkbox. So for example, I click somewhere here, and after that you need to go to Insert tab. It is very important to select this one tab, because here you can find a really useful options. One of them is Forms. We need to go to Forms, and here we can find checkbox. So if you want to insert it, you need to select this option, and after that we need to draw it somewhere inside this cell. So for example, I draw it somewhere here. And now checkbox has been successfully created here, but of course we can change the name of the checkbox. For example, maybe I will type here something like Apple, and then I click somewhere outside this checkbox, and how you see it has been successfully added here, so we can check it or uncheck it. Everything depends on your preferences. So in this way you can easily insert it in WPS spreadsheets. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.